Ever felt lost in a sea of information? Overwhelmed by endless search results? Traditional search engines often leave you drowning in data. But what if you could explore information in a whole new way? Introducing Chatgpt ATLAS, the groundbreaking feature that transforms how you interact with knowledge. User asked, "Best coffee shops near me with outdoor seating." Atlas doesn't just give you a list, it shows you a map. See locations, photos, and even real-time information, all in one interactive view. The user asked to see the most important historical landmarks in Rome. Planning a trip? Atlas brings history to life. Explore historical sites with detailed information and stunning visuals. Visualize global warming trends over the past 50 years, the student requested. Need to understand complex data? Atlas makes it intuitive. Visualize complex information with interactive maps and charts. From finding the best restaurants to exploring real estate opportunities, Atlas is your gateway to a smarter world. Chatgpt Atlas, where knowledge meets location. Explore the world, one map at a time. This tool is amazing for collaborating on group projects. We can all look at the same data simultaneously, Student 1 said, intrigued. Yeah, and it's like seeing the world unfold right before our eyes, Student 2 added, excited. Atlas transforms learning into an immersive experience, connecting ideas and locations seamlessly. With Atlas, we're able to strategize more effectively and make decisions with confidence, the business analyst said, confidently. Imagine the strategic advantage of knowing all the pieces on the board. Atlas is not just a map, it's a compass for decision-making. Let's visit the Great Barrier Reef. Look, it even shows the best time for diving, the child said, enthusiastic. The parent, feeling content, replied, "With Atlas, planning a family vacation has never been more exciting or informative. From classrooms to boardrooms to family rooms, Chatgpt Atlas connects you to the world. Where will you explore next?" With Atlas, every lecture becomes a visual spectacle. See how tectonic plates shift and continents drift over millions of years, the professor explained with an educational tone. It's amazing how we can literally see history in motion, a student marveled, filled with awe. Atlas turns learning into a vivid journey through time and space, making complex subjects accessible and engaging for all ages. With Atlas, our global reach isn't just a plan on paper, it's a dynamic, interactive projection. We can visualize potential markets in real time, the startup leader said, with vision. "This is incredible. It feels like we're mapping out success itself," the team member exclaimed, motivated. For innovators and entrepreneurs, Atlas is the toolkit that transforms ambitions into actionable insights and strategies. See the distribution of solar panels worldwide and the potential for renewable energy growth. Atlas brings sustainability to life, the teacher said, with inspiration in their voice. It's like we can see the future and how we can change it for the better, Student 4 reflected. Chatgpt Atlas not only informs but also inspires, empowering the next generation to dream big and act wisely.